Sonja Sparkle. Welcome back to my channel where I play around and experiment to find new skincare and makeup that is all vegan and cruelty free, and the better it is for our environment, the happier it makes me. So I have a box. I was going to do an unboxing, but I would just say right now, if you could, I'm small, I'm new, just starting out, so please give this video a like. But I have a box here and I honestly don't know what's in it. I ordered a few things all at the same time and I don't know which box this is, so we will find. Oh, this one's from KVD Beauty. So you can see right here on the inside, KVD Vegan Beauty, and I love that. It makes me feel happy. Let's just rip it open and see what we have. Oh, I'm excited for this. This is the Alchemist, is that what it is? Alchemist holographic palette. And I saw some videos. I mean, I'm old to the game, obviously. I've been using the same skincare and makeup from a company for the past 5 years that I was selling that skincare and makeup, and I have nothing against the company, nothing against the products. I just wanted to try to find some new fun things. I wanted to branch out because I felt like I was being limited, and this is the reason why, because I want to try fun things like this. So I know this product came out a few years ago and lots of people tried it, lots of people loved it, and now I get to try it, and the package is really cool. Looks so nice, so I'm excited to try that. We have the, oh, this is the Edge of Reality eyeshadow palette. I'm surprised I could read that without my glasses. I picked this palette because everything with this palette is totally recyclable. So let me try to open it. And it has all the colors on the back. And I also, because there was 2 palettes that I saw that every part of it is recyclable, and I love that. I picked this one because the colors were brighter, and I'm kind of I like bright fun colors. There's no mirror or anything, so after you're done with all of the makeup and everything's cleaned out, you can actually recycle the whole entire thing. So to me, that's a huge bonus. It's really pretty. The front is so pretty. And if I'm not mistaken, I thought you could actually use these colors wet as well, but like this blue, I have to be honest, the blue is what really drew me. I really love blue eyeshadow. Oops. Let me put some of this on my hand to show you how pretty it is. Look how pretty. Oh, I'm gonna love it to play with that. And it has like all of these like fun, beautiful, like shiny colors. I love shiny. Can you see that? Look how pretty that is. Ah! Okay, so I will do a whole video using this. I don't know what colors I'll use with it, but which ones I pick, but it's gonna be fun. Oh, I should have showed you the inside of this. I'll show you in just a minute. I was just too excited. All right, so a couple of these were like freebie products. Let me take everything out. That I got some extra bonus products, which I'm excited for. So this one is Go Big or Go Home Volumizing Mascara. Ooh, and I will be really happy, really happy to do a video on this. Ooh, that's huge. And this is like a big like container though. Like the mascara one that I'm used to using is this big, and this is like quite a bit bigger. So I'll be excited to try that. I might have to put it on tomorrow. Oh, okay. And then the next one I have here is, oh, the Liquid to Powder Foundation, True Portrait Liquid to Powder Foundation. So I have not used a foundation for a while because I've been using, I'm all about the tinted moisturizer. I don't really like a full coverage foundation, even a medium coverage. Ooh, this is pretty. I'm really more about like a more sheer foundation. I don't like really cakey makeup, but I think part of that problem is I don't think I ever really knew how to apply makeup, and I see a lot of people doing that they put on foundation, they put it on so thick. And I was actually watching a video about that the way you want to do it is thinner. So I think I'm really excited to try a foundation and see how it does, and hopefully trying to show you the color. Hopefully the color matches right. Let's just go like this. It has like this little, oh, is this the one I read about that you have to shake it up? I wonder if it is. It might be. I think you do. I think you have to shake it really well, otherwise it comes out all liquidy. Oh, it is. It's still pretty liquidy, which I don't think is necessarily a bad thing. So I have tinted moisturizer now, but let's just, I just want to see. I actually think the color might be pretty good, and it like just blends right in, and it covered that up really well. Like it really, I think it did pretty well. I think I might have got an okay color. So the color I got light 010. So that's what I got. And then I got these 2 freebie products with it. I got mini everlasting liquid lipstick. Ooh, I'm excited for this. Like really excited for it. I really want to try this lipstick. It's just like a little mini one. There we go. So this is, I'm gonna put it right here on my hand. So let's just leave that there because I'm really excited to try this. Red isn't my favorite go-to color, but I will tell you, that's actually a really pretty red. Then my other freebie I got is a mini tattoo liner, which like I'm really excited to try that. Here it is, the tattoo liner, and ooh, that is really cool. All right, let's draw something. Oh wow, that is really nice. The way it draws, it is very precise, like very precise. I might have to try a wing liner. I just might have to, because that is really cool. That looks so nice. Okay, so let's do this Alchemist? Is that what it is? Holographic palette. Ooh. All right, so it's, I don't know if you can see, it's all white. There, I think I got the right light. You can see there's an A on it. It's like all raised. It's super pretty. Really pretty. Okay, let's see, how do we open it? Ooh. So it has a cute little mirror on top, and then it has all of these really pretty colors. It has, let's see, it says it has green, emerald, blue, sapphire, ultraviolet, amethyst, and pink opal. So this is the green. So this one's the green, this is the blue, this is the ultraviolet, and this is the pink opal. So let's just wipe a little bit somewhere. My hand is getting really full. That's the pink opal. It looks really pretty. I would swipe some on my face, but I kind of want to wait to do that for do a whole video on it and play around with it. I think that would be fun. Ooh, that's so pretty. I don't know how I feel about green. I try to stay away from like a lot of greens. Like there's the green and the blue. I think the blue's gonna be pretty. We'll put the blue on my knuckles. Ooh, I like the blue. I actually think I like the blue the most. The blue is really cool. The blue is like almost like an opal type look. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna be done reviewing this box. So far, like this right here, without using it, I think this is definitely gonna be like I don't know, at least an 8 or a 9 out of 10. I really need to try the foundation, but from the little bit I played with it, it felt really nice. It was really smooth. It blended really nice. It says liquid powder. I mean, it's just, I think this is gonna be good, but I need to try it. And then the mascara, totally need to try. I have no idea. I do like the packaging. It's awfully big. Like, it feels big in my hands, but I have huge hands, so that's fine for me. Somebody has smaller hands, I don't know how they'll feel about it. This palette, I'm like in love with it, and I haven't even tried it yet, and I am like feeling like it's gonna be a 10 out of 10. So we'll just have to see. And oh, let's check these out because I want to see how smudge resistant. Let's do the lipstick first. Ooh. Yeah, there's like nothing. Let's use a different finger. Let's use a finger that doesn't, okay, my pinky finger. There's a little bit, but it's not bad. And then let's try the liner. Ooh, the liner stays put totally. It didn't smudge at all. So the liner I think is going to be a 10 out of 10. The lipstick, I really can't wait to try it, and I'm really excited to try that. So anyways, thank you so much for watching, and please like this video. I really appreciate it, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments something that you think I should try. Thanks.